wonder whose bike this is. There's the RJWC duals.
I wonder who's
First time I've heard them on there.
Yeah, right on.
Sounds good, eh?
Yeah. She's got a low rumble to her.
Yeah, they look sweet too. Got the tip spotter going in black. Looks pretty good. Pretty darn good.
Right on.
Yeah. Let that warm up. We'll give her a little snap, see what they sound like. Sound good. They got a nice rumble to them.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, they do. It's tight. It's a tight sound.
Yeah, I'm really impressed.
Yeah.
Really impressed.
The packing's
Actually,
kinda wore
when I
out on mine.
had it out a little while ago and moved it, and she was in there, and I said, "Is it much louder than the Yoshi?" She goes, "It's lower, but I had to hold the things on the wall because they were vibrating." I'm like, "No way!"
It rattles the house a bit more.
She's got that low tone.
That's cool. Yeah, it's almost time for a new exhaust for me. These ones rattle a bit. I could repack them, but I think I'd rather get something in there.
Yeah.
Something different. Try something different.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Right on. Cheers, Mud and Wheels.
Better warm up.
Robin at RJWC, the boys at Dirtylife.ca. Let's go listen and see how these things work. This will be right on.
Yeah, we're doing the primary color thing today. We got our blue, our yellow, and our red.
We got medium suspension in the back, soft. Can't remember if I got it on soft up front or not. Yeah, we do. I think I'm gonna run the suspension in the middle today.
Hey?
I'm gonna run it in the middle.
Are ya?
Yeah.
I got the front on stiff, I think, and the back on soft, I believe. These tires tend to land a little bit hard when you hit a jump.
The difference is crazy.
They hit like a rock
From one to the other in this thing.
Softer back end. Yeah, that looks wicked, man. I like this.
Yeah, you did a really good job, eh?
Sweet.
Just unbelievable. Awesome. Grant. That's BayMarine. Wicked.
Be nice to see what your microphone sounds like with these on there.
That's what I was just saying to the camera, yeah?
I'd be curious if there's any difference or what.
Yeah, well, I think so, because the low tone's just gonna...
Yeah.
It might cause the shift to the microphone, so we'll see how it plays out. We may have to change it up, who knows?
All right. Shall we give her a shot?
Shall we?
Are we ready? Halo's on, boys. The belt, warm up the machine.
Holy moly! Listen to that thing howl. Okay, maybe they're louder than the Yoshis. Most certainly. Today and break some things in here. See how everything's jiving together. Make sure I've got all my I's and T's dotted, crossed. You know how it goes. Shakedown ride, boys. She's a shakedown ride. No idea what kind of resistance you're going to get there, so we're just going to do the two-wheel peeler here low.
really smoking, eh? Heating up.
Come on.
What is it?
Just didn't want to play around. Yeah, you don't want to breathe that.
No, no, you don't. I'm right behind breathing it all in, buddy.
Well, go ahead.
Where are we going?
Go take a look. Yeah, we got that exhaust wrap making off right now, boys. I don't want to breathe that shit. I know I wouldn't.
It looks downright nasty. Look at that. Although we can still see a little grass.
Woo! Barely moving. This thing just sounds like it's... I don't know, man. It's just crazy. Holy shit. Yeah, this is kind of what I figured.
She's up. She's up. Holy shit. I don't know about this. The water's up.
I can't believe there's all this ice.
Yeah.
Yeah, the water's up. You can,
Yeah.
You can skate across it.
Holy. I don't know what that would be like.
Oh, disastrous.
Maybe.
Disastrous.
Maybe.
Oh,
That little channel right there might be fairly deep now. Hey.
it's hard enough when you jump off your bike and that stuff, let alone jumping off into ice chunks and that stuff.
It looks nasty.
Oh,
After you.
no, we're bypassing this one.
Yeah.
We're gonna get right out of Dodge.
Yeah.
Might as well get to the next one, see what we're in for.
See what we're in for.
Oh, you want to play in that shit? That's the shallows of it. Don't you dare. You go around that tree and you get your ass back here. That's about the extent of it right there. Stay on the grass if you know it's there. Look at that. So you're looking at, well, half a foot to a foot of water above the grass. That's not good.
Got your license plate in your backpack too?
No, it's bent up.
Right
It's
on.
there.
Good man. That's a better idea. I like that.
Yeah. Wow, there's still snow in the bush here. Basically melted out everywhere else. Damn it, look it.
Let me get into, oh,
Look at that.
let's get into 4-wheel.
get this thing cooked off. It wasn't like that the last time I was through there. Whew. Oh, a mess.
Hey Tommy, I'm gonna have to get you one of these jackets.
One of you guys want to take the lead? Boys?
So that's the other side. Where do we come out?
It's going to be a challenge this summer.
Oh yeah, for
but
sure.
We got to do it.
For sure.
Cross that.
Where do we come out? Over
wow.
Here?
Hey?
This is the one we just bypassed just now, right?
Yeah.
Where do we come out? Like, where are we over here when we come out?
Well, you just looked at the poles, the lines, right?
I guess. That's where it is right there, yeah, 10-4.
Unreal.